everyone, it's Teacher Casey and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today because we're getting to one of my favorite things, the holiday seasons. All of them. I just love all of the holiday seasons and the family get-togethers. It's just a lot of fun. So I want to start talking about crafting for the holidays, especially now with Halloween and Creative Fabrica's spooky sale. I thought it'd be kind of fun to talk about some ideas that you can use in your classroom or gifts or whatever. So those that know me know I am not creative. I am not good at crafts. Hence why I use Creative Fabrica. It is really for crafters and people that have great ideas. But for those of us that are not very good with crafts, this is great for you too. So since we're in the middle of their spooky Halloween sale, I thought I would just show you some fun things. So whether you're a teacher decorating your classroom, a parent crafting with your kids, or a crafter making fun things or making gifts, there is something for everyone. So you're gonna wanna check this video out and stay with me till the end. Grab your glue sticks and glitter and let's get started. No glitter. Glitter's disgusting. Anything but glitter. In my classroom, I did not use much glitter, but that's for another discussion. I didn't use any glitter, let's be honest. But that's for another discussion, another day. Let me know if you wanna hear all about my glitter fiasco. All right, so first up for teachers. I know how much we love sprucing up our classrooms for the different holidays, for Halloween, for the different seasons, maybe even just for fall. Creative Fabrica has many resources for you to do just that. One of my favorite things that you can create are Halloween themed banners. So using like fun fonts and graphics from Creative Fabrica, you can print and cut out letters to spell out like boo or spooky fun or whatever you can think of, right? Add some cute bats around your room, maybe some ghosts or pumpkins, or like I said, keep it fall themed. And you have an instant festive display for your classroom that kids will love. So it's quick, it's easy, you can customize it however you like. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Some say Halloween, some say Wicked, some say different things. It's just some fun banners that you can use. You see, I have check marks on all of these because I did this special deal for $47. But if you are new, you will not see these check marks right now, unless you are looking at one of the free ones. I'll have to see what today's freebie is. I didn't even check that before making this video. But you can see there's lots of ways to make different banners and fun things for your classroom, images, just all kinds of fun things. I do like some of these. They're more cutesy than scary, but boogie ride. So cute. All right, so those are some banners. I'm just gonna close it because there's other things I want to show you. Like, oh, this one's Halloween classroom. Now, so those are the banners. And for all of you parents out there, I've got a fun craft you can do with the kiddos. So how about making spooky Halloween masks or cutesy Halloween masks, right? Creative Fabrica has tons of printable cards or printable designs that you can use and download the files, print them out. You can print them on cardstock. You can even laminate them to save for later. The kids can decorate them, use paint, use markers, use glitter if you choose. It's a fun activity for a weekend afternoon or maybe a Halloween party, maybe a classroom party. The best part is you can find so many different mask designs, witches, pumpkins, black cats. There's something for every child's imagination. And if you want to go the extra mile, like I said, you can laminate them and they'll last longer. So you can have more spooky fun. So we'll check out those masks here in just a minute, but for my fellow crafters out there, you're going to love this. Have you ever made Halloween treat bags? They're perfect for handing out candy or small little gifts for parties. Creative Fabrica has a bunch of digital designs that you can use to personalize your treat bags too. So you can have fun, spooky graphics. You can even add your own text, so you can make each bag one of a kind. And if you've got one of those machines like a Cricut or something, you can use Creative Fabrica's SVG files to cut out those designs on vinyl or cardstock and then just iron or glue them onto your bags. I mean, how cute would that be, right? So whether you're hosting a party or giving gifts to friends and family, personalized treat bags are just so much fun and they're just so cute. So let me share my screen again. I'm just gonna show you some more fun things and then we'll probably end the video there. But I do want to show you today's freebie, and I should probably show you tomorrow's freebie. Maybe even this week's freebie. All right, so Halloween treat bags. All I did was go to Halloween gift bags. You could put in treat bags. There's some patterns, some digital paper designs, some Halloween printable gift tags. I think these are so cute. Hey, boo, here's a little treat for you. So cute. So there's lots of cute things there. These would be the Halloween masks. I hope you can see them because they are so super cute. Halloween masks printable. You can do colored, you can do black and white so that they can create their own. Some are kind of scary. And one more is, this one I just typed in Halloween classroom, and I really like, they have a bulletin board thing. They have build a bat activity craft. I wonder if it's a glyph. That would be fun. This is a Halloween craft creative writing project. Just cute little ghosts. And like I said, you could see I have the check marks because I get them free. Now everything's free since I pay the $47 a year. Coloring books and coloring pages and all kinds of things like that. So super cute, super fun. I hope you were able to see all of them. As you can see, Creative Fabrica really has it all for your Halloween crafting projects. Let me know if you have any questions. They have printables and fonts and SVG files. They've got over 18 million resources to choose from. And the best part is you can grab that 1-year all access I was telling you about for $47 right now, but they're also giving you access to all of those goodies plus a free exclusive gift, like a design bundle, and it's worth $1,000. So seriously, this deal is really too good to pass up. With all the resources, your crafting possibilities are endless. And also, I wanted to mention that you can use them. It says commercial use, and you can use them to make different things, either for your classroom or to sell on something like Teachers Pay Teachers or Etsy. So if you're ready to get crafting, make sure you click my affiliate link below. Like I said, it is an affiliate link. You can snag that 1-year all access pass or start downloading free fun freebies now. There are a lot of Halloween themed goodies for the freebies right now. So don't forget, Creative Fabric is also giving away daily bundles throughout October, and they're also having giveaways. That's in another video. Maybe I can link that one. It's like a Halloween treat, but better. So much. So that's it. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed these spooky crafting ideas. Whether you're a teacher, a parent, a crafter, there's so much to do with Creative Fabrica. I can't wait to see what you create. If you create something using Creative Fabrica, please tag me below or tag me on social media. I'd love to see your spooky creations. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and notification bell so you always get notified with my latest videos. I'll be back soon with more creative ideas. Until then, happy crafting, everybody. Stay creative, stay spooky, and I'll see you all next time. Bye. Thank you.